I heard about Morningstar throughout my family. A lot of my family works here. They've all had good things to say about Morningstar.
I started here right out of high school, seasonally, in between summers at college.
I've been familiar with the Morningstar company since the early 90s.
My opinion is a little subjective because I love working here, and I don't understand why anybody wouldn't want to work here because of the opportunities that are plentiful.
There's so much you can do here. You have so many options.
Started in R&D at our Liberty factory, and as I got more seasons under my belt, thought this place was pretty cool. And when I graduated college, came on full-time in quality assurance.
Here you have the freedom to choose different paths. If you figure out that you're really passionate about something, even though you're in one area, you have the freedom to move laterally and do and chase what makes you happy.
It's a great opportunity for anybody to come work with us. The benefits are good. They're different colleagues, so different personalities. So if you want a challenge, it's the place to be at. I mean, you're always being challenged to better yourself.
I think one of the things people love the most about this job is the fact that we are self-managed.
The self-management is pretty much, the mission is the boss.
It was different because I was always used to, you having a boss on your shoulder, and here it's like you're your own boss. It's a little bit more freedom.
One of the things I appreciate most about the self-management style of business that we're in is that you really do get to kind of create your own destiny.
Two things come to mind, two words, freedom and ownership.
If you think back to your best job, best boss you've ever had, what's the main principle of that? And it's usually the freedom to do your job the way you want to do it. Self-management just kicks that up another extra notch or two.
I like the idea that you are responsible as if this was your own business.
The people here have been great, been given opportunities to succeed, and I just try to take everything that I can and continue moving forward with that.
I've worked at a place before where you dread driving to work because you know the people you're going to have to deal with. Don't have that here.
Everybody wants to come into a place where they know if they try and they put an effort that they're going to get something back.
If you want to be excellent at something, if you want to be the best at what you do, this is the kind of company that you need to get into.
What I probably enjoy most about my job, I guess it's been different through different times in my career at Morningstar. It's kind of evolved, I suppose. But initially, it was just the fascination with the process. Now I find more enjoyment in trying to help others here within the company.
The challenge. The challenge is what makes it fun.
Some advice I would give to a new colleague is to be ready to learn.
I would say if you're thinking about it, definitely give it a try. It's more than just a tomato processor. We all really care about one another.
Give it your all. Ask why at every turn. Ask why, how, when. Try to figure the ins and outs of stuff and be passionate about it.
Learn different things with your colleagues. Just try and learn from their mind. Everybody works differently here. If you do that, you build relationships.
There is no separation between what you value in your private life or your personal life and what you value out of work. Life is just one spectrum, and work is a major part of that. So when you come here, not only are you somewhat adapting to our culture starts to adapt to you. And that's always been a great way of evolving our team to meet new situations or to meet the changes in the market or the changes in what society wants from businesses.